Your social networking self-assurance plan. For all the time and attention you invest in your social networking for business, for fun, or for profit, your computer needs an assurance plan to protect your files and more. So why a self-assurance plan? Your computer needs constant backup to protect your files. Regular maintenance is required for disk cleanup and defragmentation. And an external drive, even though it's a good beginning, will need its own backup. It's time to protect your social networking computer now with our self-assurance training system. The first step is free, because all PCs need regular maintenance. You've probably heard of disk cleanup, which gets rid of the digital dust balls and scraps of data. Defragmentation reorganizes the data files so that your drive runs smoothly. Here's how you begin. On all Windows operating systems, you go to the Start button on the bottom left of your desktop, choose Programs, then Accessories, then System Tools on the pull-down menus, and then choose Disk Cleanup. First run it, and then select all the boxes for the categories that show up after it's done analyzing your disk. It'll give you a chance to say yes or no at the end. We suggest you do that. Now this may take a little time depending on how dirty your disk is and depending on where the files are. But it could take 45 minutes to an hour, so we recommend it be done over lunch or over the evening hours so that your PC will have a cleaner disk. This gets rid of all of the things that come from using online and also applications. After you've completed disk cleanup, go to Defragmentation 101. Your drive will run smoother with a good defrag. Sometimes older PCs will need more. We recommend a 30-day trial from perfectdisk.com where you download the Home Premium Edition, install it, and then run the analysis on the drive, which takes about 10 minutes. And that'll show you what your disk looks like. And then at the bottom right of that application, you'll see a recommendation of whether to run a defrag or do smart placement. Either one of these is going to make your disk much, much happier. These two steps, the disk cleanup and defragmentation, are something that most everybody understands, but very few people do on a regular basis. It'll improve your drive performance significantly and get it ready for the double backup for good. If you do need our help on this, we conduct weekly classes online for $8 US to demonstrate. If you need to enroll in one of those classes so you can see how we're doing this, then send a note to computerhelpersforgood@gmail.com. Ask for our class schedule, and then we'll send you the class materials. We also conduct a Right by My Side session via shared screen sharing technology, where we get to remotely view your screen but not control it. The next step for self-assurance plans for your computer. We provide a 3 service call program to ensure your data is safe. The first one is to arrange a Right by My Side session to assess your computer's needs. This takes about 28 minutes and is conducted by the same shared screen technology we discussed. And we'll be able to determine what your computer's backup needs are, whether you have an external drive or not, and what the capacity you may need for an online backup to your backup. We accept $1 per minute for this service and contribute 33% of that service fee to a local charity of your choice. Plus, we match that session, the full 28 minutes, as a voucher to assist that charity to maintain their computers pro bono. Your next step of action. You can contact us through one of these options. Give us a call in the U.S. and Canada at 646-961-3748. We have a Skype ID of In Business for Good 2006. Instant messaging is inbusinessforgood@yahoo.com. And email is computerhelpersforgood@gmail.com. This video will be available for viewing at computerhelpersforgood.net, and we hope to support your social network and favorite charity soon with our double backup for good. This is Patrick from Computer Helpers for Good